Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a haul here because I just had birthday, so we are going to have my yearly birthday haul today. So yeah, let's get into the video. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So today we are going to have my annual birthday haul, and if you saw my birthday vlog you might know that I went to Oslo for my birthday and stayed there for a day. So I got the chance to shop a little bit for my birthday. This year I haven't gone that crazy for my birthday because there are some exciting things happening in my life very soon. So I am kinda saving a little bit for that. But if you know me, you know that I have shopped a little bit. And the first thing that we are going to start with is the least exciting things, but it is exciting kinda. But it is from Dior Beauty, as I normally shop from whenever I'm in Oslo. So let's open it up. I have opened this one already and therefore you can see it's not the nicest wrapping around it now. And this is the only thing that I bought from Dior Beauty, and this is the La Col Noir. It is the scent from Dior Privé collection. This is a very good and flowery scent. I really like it, and yeah, that was the only thing that I bought. This is in the 125 milliliters if I'm not wrong, but my essay really went overboard as she normally does, but this is the most that I have gotten ever, I think. So the first things that I got is the new Forever foundation samples, and I think this is very good because the samples are a little bit more inclusive when it comes to different shades, so I really like that. And the other thing is the new Dior lip maximizer, and here as well you can see it is the same design in the different shades. So here are the new shades. I think this one is the one that suits me the most, but yeah, that was that. And I also got a whole bag with many different samples, so let's take a look. So here we have a bar of soap. This is in the scent Amber Nuit, which is very good. And I also got a lot of body cream samples in Wood Ispahan, the La Col Noir, and it is also in the scent Sakura and maybe some others. Very nice. And as usual, many prestige samples. Here is the cream, and I also got the cleanser and also the serum. So that was also very nice of her. But we are not done yet. There are a lot of things left. I also got the new lip maximizer in the mini size in the pink shade. And I also got some perfume samples, many of these. And I also got the miniature perfume samples. Here is the taupe color, and here is what it looks like. Very cute and lucky. I think I got this one before, but it is very good, so I can never get enough of it. And also the Wood Ispahan. Here is that one. And also the last one is also in Wood Ispahan, same as this one. That was the free samples. And as you might know, if you are a Dior Beauty member, they have a birthday surprise for you. And so here is my birthday surprise. I don't know if it is for everyone or if it's something special that my essay got for me, but here is my birthday present. This is a vanity case where it says Dior with a mirror inside, and you also have good space here to store things. This you saw earlier, it is a pouch with the cheetah pattern. That was all the things that I got from Dior Beauty. And moving on to another brand that I really love, and it is Hermes. And as you can see, I got quite a few things from Hermes, but we are going to start on the top. So here is the first thing. Let's open it up. Okay, so here it is inside the dust bag, and let's take it out. And this is actually my first piece of something, and you will notice right away what it is. And it is an ear cuff. Here you can see the details. And it is in Ombre Lizard, which is my first exotic piece from Hermes. and I think it is actually my first exotic piece ever, so that's quite new to me. But as you might know, I really love exotics, so it wasn't a surprise that I would have gotten something in exotic. But I tried this one on when I was in Oslo for Christmas, I think, and since that I really regretted that I didn't go for it. So when they had it when I was in Oslo now, I just had to buy it because it was so beautiful. And let's try it on. So here you can see how it looks like when it's on. It doesn't hurt, and this is in the small size. I think it comes in a large size as well, but they are quite big. But this one hugs the ear perfectly. That was the first piece that I got from Hermes, and I really love it. I think it is just so perfect and it elevates any outfit. And moving on to the next piece, here is that. Can you guess what it is? Let's open it up. And here you can see what it is. And this is the Mosaic Platinum tray in, I think it is the smallest size. You can barely fit anything on it, but I really like it. I think it is just so cute. I really love it. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I think it is just so cute that I couldn't resist it. I actually ordered this through my essay online, so when I came to the store on my birthday, they had it ready for me, and yeah. And the next thing that I got is in a similar box, but let's open it up. And it is the same plate in the same colors. This is in the Platinum series and I really loved it, so I got 2 of those. So now I have 2, and the reason why I also got 2 of it was because my boyfriend was so jealous when I bought my big Hermes tray, so therefore I just had to get 2 because he wants one as well. So now we can have 1 sushi bite on the tray. Yeah, it is very silly, but it is just so cute that we couldn't resist it. And moving on to the next item, I promise this isn't a tableware thing, so let's open it up. This is actually something that I have thought about in quite some time now, so this is also my first piece of something else from Hermes that I haven't gotten before. And let's open it up and take it out. So here is my first silk scarf from Hermes. I have no idea what it is called, but I think it is just beautiful. I tried it on when I was in the store and quite instantly I fell in love with it. I think it matches my color very well, so therefore I ended up getting it. And I also had my white coat on when I was trying this on, and it matches my white coat very good. And another thing with this scarf, it is 2 colorways on it. You can see here it is yellow and have a lot of bright colors, which I can use when it is summer. And on this side it is more me vibe with the neutrals and quite subtle colors. And yeah, I really love it. I think it is just so perfect when you have the 2 sides that you can choose from, because now when I have it on like this, you can see it is a pop of color here, which is very cool. So yeah, that was my first ever silk scarf from Hermes. I don't know if I want more, but I think it looks very cool. I won't use it every day because I'm not that of a dressy girl, but it is great to have in your collection, so therefore I went for it. And yeah, I don't know if I want a lot more of silk scarf from Hermes, but they are quite cool, and I think when they are a little bit muted and neutral, I think they look the best. But this one could go because it is with 2 sides, so therefore I went for it. I initially wanted a cashmere scarf from Hermes in a neutral color, but they didn't have anything that looked good on me because of the colors, so therefore I thought that this was the best option. And also I am really looking forward to summer where I can use this more, because I feel that in the winter time you can use it in the winter time, but I think it looks cooler in the summertime. And moving on to the last piece from Hermes, here is that. So let's open it up. And this is also something that I have been waiting for. I have tried to get this item for, I think it is 1.5 years now. And now I finally have it. So let's unbox it. What do you guys think it is? And these are my new Hermes Mosaic espresso cups. And if you have followed my vlogmas, you might know that I have recently just gotten an espresso machine. So therefore I wanted some fancy espresso cups. And I wanted them before I got an espresso machine. They are quite small, but it is very cute. And here is the saucer. That was the last item from Hermes. And also something funny about this item is that I left the Hermes store the second day, the day after my birthday, because I hoped that they did get something the day after my birthday, because they didn't have most of the things that I wanted for my birthday. So therefore I tried the luck the second day, and I think we were inside the store 2 times, but the last time they just got the delivery and then they received the cups for me. So I'm very grateful for that. It wasn't the biggest score from Hermes. I really wanted to buy more, but they didn't have anything of the things that I wanted besides the things that I have gotten, but they didn't have anything more. So therefore I went to Dior and tried my luck there as well. And we had much better luck there, because with Dior you can mostly get the things that you want, because everything is in the stock, more or less. But since the Norway store is a little bit small, they have limited stock. So I was so lucky. And as you might noticed on the vlog, I tried on a lot of different clothes, and I also got my first ready-to-wear piece from Dior. I haven't gotten any clothing piece from Dior or any high luxury brand, so this is my first ready-to-wear piece, and I'm so excited because it is just so perfect. I have tried this piece on many times now, and it was just the time to get it. So let's open it up. And here is the clothing item that I have gotten. And you probably think now that this is just a basic plain sweater, but here is the back, and I really love it. I tried it on so many times. I actually tried it on for the first time when I was in London, and since then I have been so obsessed with this sweater because it is in cashmere and it is just so good, and the style fits me perfectly. It is just the nicest black sweater that I have ever seen, so therefore I just had to get it. It is just so incredible. I really love it, and I will use this sweater a lot. I also wanted to get the poncho, which I tried on so many times on the vlog because it was so perfect, but I didn't get it. I kind of regret not getting it, but as I said earlier, I'm trying to save a little bit for the things that are coming, so therefore I just got one item from Dior. But if I could choose, I would have gotten the whole store because there are a lot of things from Dior that I really want, bags and everything, and also the necklace in the Rose Events, I think it is called, with the malachite stone. It is just so pretty, but I went for the sweater in the end because I feel that the sweater is going to be handier to have in hand than the necklace. So yeah, here is my first ready-to-wear piece. So that was the things that I got for my birthday, but I have another surprise, as I mentioned in the vlog. I'm going to give one of you guys this, and now it's the time to finally reveal what I'm going to give one of you guys. So here is the item, and as I mentioned in the vlog, I'm going to do a giveaway. This is going to be on YouTube, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the giveaway, because it is going to happen when I reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So be sure to subscribe so you can win this prize. So let's open it up and see what I'm going to give one of you guys. This is actually something that I want myself, but I'm going to give it to you guys because I feel that you guys are the best. You are so supporting, and I really love this community, and I'm so thankful for you guys, each and every one of you. You are the best, so therefore you deserve the best. And here, so let's take that ribbon off. Of course, when I am going to ship this, it is going to be nicely wrapped. So here is inside it. And look at this. This is the Bastia in gold with palladium. So here you can see how it looks. And this is just the cutest little item ever. I really want it myself because it matches my Birkin perfectly. And this is in Epsom leather, which is a little bit more durable than, for example, Togo. So this one is going to last forever. But just look at this little cute piece. I really want it myself, but it is going to one of you guys. And also the giveaway is going to be open worldwide. So don't be afraid of that. But the giveaway is going to be when I reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to make either a video for the giveaway itself or I'm going to include it in the next video. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but it is going to happen when I reach 1,000 subscribers, which feels that it is going to happen very soon. So yeah, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the giveaway because this is a very nice piece. I want it myself. So that was the reveal of the giveaway and also the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to save up a little bit, so therefore it isn't the largest haul, but it has quite a few items and I'm really happy with all the items that I got. I think my favorite one is the sweater because I'm going to use it a lot. And with that, I mean a lot. So what was your favorite of the birthday gifts? Let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video and goodbye.